we will be studying three properties. One, that is what properties criteria for similarity. Criteria for similarity. Now, what is criteria for similarity? That is when two triangles, you have to prove that they are similar. Then we have to use criteria for similarity. But you have studied in 9th class congruency condition. In congruency, if you have to prove congruent, the congruency properties are there. What are the four properties? SAS congruency, second SSS congruency, third RHS congruency, angle side angle congruency, or you can say that AAS congruency. To prove congruent, we have four properties. All four properties you must be knowing. What are four properties? But whenever we have to prove triangle similar, then we have three properties. Three properties to prove similar. And what are the three properties? First, side angle side. Second, triple asimilarity or double asimilarity. Or third is SSS similarity. Now, criteria for similarity. Criteria for similarity. First, SAS similarity. Now, SAS similarity, I am giving the general information here. Similarity. So you will be making two triangles. Now A, P, C. Another triangle PQR. PQR. Now, in these two triangles, you will say in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB upon PQ, AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR, and angle B equal to angle Q, angle B equal to angle Q. If this is the condition, AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR, AB upon PQ, if ratios are equal, then an included angle B equal to angle PQ, then triangle A, B, C similar to triangle P, PQR by SAS similarity. Here, when we have to do similarity, we have CPST. In 9th class, what was the CPCT? CPCT was corresponding part of congruent triangle. Here, CPST is what? That is corresponding parts of similar triangles, and CPCT. This is what? Corresponding CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Corresponding parts of congruent triangle. So CPST and CPCT you must know. After this, we have second similarity, and second similarity is what? triple A similarity or double A similarity. Second is what? Triple A or double A similarity. Triple A similarity or double A similarity. Now, in this, two triangles will be given to you. A, B, C. Another triangle, P, Q, R. P, Q, R. If angle this, angle E equal to angle A and angle P both are equal. If B equal to Q, in two triangles, if two angles are equal, third angle will be obviously equal because angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property of triangle is what? 180 degree. So third angle you can find out, and there is the same thing. If this is 60, this is 60, this is 80, this is 80. 60 and 80 is what? 140. And angle sum property of triangle is what? 180 degree. So 180 minus 140 will be what? 40 degree. So third angle will be the 40 degree. So double A similarity you can say, or if you have to prove the third, that is third angle, you have to prove that third angle is equal, then you can say that triple A similarity. So it depends. Now what do you say in triangle ABC and triangle PQR? Angle A equal to angle P, angle P equal to angle Q. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Then by AA similarity, and when two triangles are similar, then you know that sides are in proportion. Sides are in proportion. After this, or after that, third is SAS similarity. SAS similarity we have done first, second double A or triple A, and third is SSS similarity. Third is SSS similarity. SSS similarity. In this, what you have to do? Here, two triangles are given. A, B, C, P, Q, R. P, Q, R. In triangle A, B, C and triangle P, Q, R. AB upon PQ, BC upon QR, AC upon PR, AB upon PQ, BC upon QR, AC upon PR, AB upon PQ, BC upon QR, AC upon PR. If ratios are equal, then you will say therefore triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR by S similarity, SSS similarity. Understood? So this is the three properties by which you can prove that two triangles are similar. After this, we have the questions. In questions, you have to prove two triangles are similar. Two triangles are similar. So two triangles are similar. How you can prove that two triangles are similar? The first is what? Now, in this chapter, one theorem is there that I will prove just now. That is Pythagoras theorem. Last year, two more theorem, one theorem was there. But one important thing before the theorem I want to tell you, you must know what is the meaning of median, what is the meaning of altitude, and what is the meaning of angle bisector. All of you must be knowing. In the 9th class, I have explained what is the angle bisector. Angle bisector bisects the angle. Perpendicular bisector bisects the line segment. Altitude is always perpendicular. It will not bisect. After that, fourth is what? Median. What is median? Median is a line segment joining the vertex and the midpoint of opposite side. What is median? Median is a line segment joining the vertex and midpoint. So what you have said here, this is one triangle, this is another triangle, A, B, C, P, Q, R. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. So what you will say? Therefore, AB upon PQ, BC upon QR. First two. This BC, AC, PR, AC, PR. Angle A, angle B, AP. Angle B, angle Q. Angle C, angle R. ABC and PQR. After this, now what is that? That is, if I draw altitude, what do you say? This is altitude. Another PM. So this half angle A, suppose here I say D, and this is as M. A, B, C, P, M, R. These half triangles are similar. These half triangles are similar. If I say A, B, D, E, Q, M, half is also similar or not? Because you will say in triangle ABC and triangle PMR, this angle and this angle, angle ABC equal to angle PMR, 90 degree. Angle C equal to angle R. Given triangle ABC similar to triangle PMR by AA similarly. Therefore, AD upon PM equal to BC upon MR equal to AC upon PR. upon PR is here. AC upon PR is here. AC upon PR is here. So what you can say that when two triangles are similar, sides are in proportion and altitudes are also in proportion. Understood? When two triangles are similar, altitudes are also in proportion. Sides are in proportion, then ratio of the altitude, ratio of median, ratio of angle bisectors, they are also equal. You remember this is very important. When two triangles are similar, sides are in proportion and also altitude, angle bisector and median. But in case of altitude and in case of angle bisector, that is, if I say AD is angle bisector, then what you will say? Sir, this angle and this angle will equal. But angle A is equal to angle P. Full angles are equal. So half angle bisector is what? Bisect the angle. So what you will say? Half of angle A equal to half of angle P. And half of angle A and half of angle P are equal. Then what you will say? These two triangles, that is, if I say this one, this is equal to this, and this angle, if I say 3 and this is 4, 1 equal to 2 and 3 equal to 4. So these two triangles are similar by double A similarity in case of angle bisector. Understood or not? This is the same. This AD. Now, in previous question, here is what AD is angle bisector. What you are saying? AD is bisector of angle A. PM is bisector of angle P. Now what you will say? Here, this will change. What you will say? If this is angle 1 equal to angle 2. After that, angle 4 equal to angle 3. Triangle ADC is similar to triangle PMR. By A similarity, the both sides are in proportion. Understood? This is the way you can solve for the angle bisector. Angle bisector and altitude, both half triangle may be similar by A similarity. Last is what? Median. In case of median, there is a change. So this you have to remember. Okay, beta, thank you.